Hi, this is Andy Jacobson of Bay Oak Law. I want to take some time to discuss a little bit about the advantages and disadvantages of corporate entities like corporations and limited liability companies. First, there are the advantages, and they can be substantial. There's limited liability, which limits your liability to the money that you put at risk. This is a great way of getting investors to contribute because they know what their worst case analysis is. Second of all, it's a great way to raise capital and concentrate capital. It's better than a loan, and it allows people to benefit from the success of the business even though they don't personally put in the time to do so. However, there are disadvantages, and we should talk about those. First of all, there's a franchise fee for every corporation and LLC in California. That can range from $800, even if you have no business conducted whatsoever, all the way up, in the case of LLCs, to $12,000 a year if you have more than $5 million in annual revenue. Second of all, we have to remember that there are limits on the limited liability. A corporation or an LLC will not help you if you personally participate in a negligent act or you do something intentional. You still need liability insurance to protect you in those instances. My general rule of thumb is I would advise against a corporate entity as being too expensive if your annual revenue is $80,000 or less. At some point it's required, but it's a sliding scale. Now, if you're less than $80,000 in annual revenue, you can think about a sole proprietorship in which you report everything on your own personal taxes, or on a partnership. The disadvantage of a partnership is that if your partner messes up, you're still fully liable.